So welcome to the Butt Cheek Obby by Clucky. And here we go. This. Oh, he's bigger than me. He's so tall. Oh, I'm about his neck. This is where my head is originally. This is where his head is. Because this watermelon shark, it extends my height. Oh, that's burning. I should go up. This is actually pretty cool. Hey, subscribe to Clucky! Oh wait, it says that at the top. I didn't even look at that. Don't forget to subscribe to Fat Paps. Subscribe to my butt too. Yay! You go first! Yeah, you go first. Okay, whatever. Ah! Oh my gosh, there's a city below there. And we all up in the clouds, and we all go and poop on the clouds. Why is that pistol always stalking me? Yeah, it's like someone else watching me. Oh, they sure are getting lazy on this, aren't they? This should be like multi-lava. Thruster and Sinchins and record. Ding. Trust your ascension and do a leap of faith. Oh. Ah. Look, amazed. If you get stuck, you can purchase a skip stage pass. Nope. Not interested. I can just do this. Oh, this is brownies. Brownies. I love brownies. Oh, wait. Ah! Okay, I didn't know that was a speed thing or anything like that, but that's pretty clever. This time I'm going to go this way. I don't want to get that close to myself. My ugly shark body. I shouldn't be saying that. Just do this. That's much. Oh my gosh, what's this? Oh, wait, there's nothing. Oh, that leads to sudden death. Just do this. Brownie maze, I call it. Subscribe to my butt. Then there goes this. But then I just want to get... I have to say, P, my... Yes. I'm recording, Cole. What you think I am doing? That's what I love. Love! Oh my gosh. I made it! 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 What is this place? Oh wait, that's what he said too. That's what I said. Oh, green! I love green. It's my favorite color. That's pretty glamorous and dang luxurious. Oh! We are in space? Wee. Wait a minute. Lemonade! Oh heck, it's toxic lemonade. Wow, I wanted to drink it. Hello, lemonade. Bling! Oh hey buddy, wanna go with me? Hoping nothing bad happens to you and me, Charlie Undercurve Brum. Brum ba bum bum. I died in a steel floor with pink lemonade. Me too, I'm recording Clucky. That goes to the side, that goes to my bride, that goes to my bride's vagina. How did I say vagina? Hey, I'm on stage 8. And it's like 5 minutes into this. Oh no, hey Charlie, don't leave me. I'm your friend, bro. Ah, no. Oh, well, it just rhymes. I'm your friend, bro. Oh no. And get ow. I just slapped myself. Oh wait, I'm going backwards. Bring. I've conjected. Oh wait, I'm not. Wait, what the heck? There's no checkpoints. Kidding me. Ah! Pink lemonade. I'm too loud. My dad told me to quiet down. My last video, there was an exceptional scream. Ow! An exceptional scream. A scream, not scream. I ate my butt. Fun fact, I did. What? My head flipped onto the board. How much does it cost to skip? 50. I like 25 Robux, so it costs 75 a month, correct? 75 to skip. That's pretty darn expensive. Chucky, I mean, what the heck? Charlie, bro! Okay, this has been taking so long. Chucky, Clucky. Why did I say Chucky? Speak about Chucky. There's new Chucky. Hey. Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play? Clucky. I don't care what your dog say. Looks like an 80s disco room. I don't care what you say. Suck my butt. You kill me and my friend darn disco. Oh my! Oh, this has really got me. I'm so depressed. I feel so depressed. I feel so depressed. I don't feel good. I feel so depressed. I feel so depressed. And it's just a room on my breast. It's giving me the worst. Because I don't really care. Just palm. Woo! Finally! Oh, which of the camera trick? Remember from the episode I'll be. This wasn't very good at all. My videos aren't high quality at all. They are very bad. Look at my videos. You hate them, don't you? Yes, you do. You're very stubborn and did. Yes, you are. You need to do some medicine! I'm gonna be randomly screaming every time I die like that. But yeah, that's all. I know which one, definitely. This one's yellow. Yes, correct. Jif palm, ba-da-da-da-doo. No! Heck, I died. Now let's feather rubbish. So yes, it is. Yellow, not pink. Heck. I said I wanted to. I don't really care. I just really want to put that in my underwear. It's pink. This one really gets me, you know? Like, comment your most frustrating moment in the lobby. I hope we get home this way. Heck, no, we do not. Yes, we do. We're back, but we still are not out of here yet. What the heck? All I'm supposed to do is just a spike row. Oh, golden ore! Is there like a secret somewhere? I'm feeling like there's a secret. like these golden ores, you can like jump over them and stuff like that. Do you have that sort of vibe too? Okay, honestly, guys, I think this is glitch. Like it was glitched. So for the other 5 minutes, I will be playing something else. Like maybe speedrun. I'd say speedrun, you know, for 5 minutes. Oh. Ow!